think that's what I had trouble with last time.
You have to prime it.
I had to fucking blow the. I put a filter on, and I put a new like an on-off switch for petrol.
Yeah.
For some reason, there's not enough gravity to fucking push that through. Right, you have to blow that through till the filter fills up.
Oh yeah, to fill it up. Don't do this at home, kids.
Yeah, that's going through.
It's working. Oh, great little bike. Amazing what you can do in it.
Well, it was going to go on a scrap heap, so that's kind of safe.
It ain't now.
Oh.
Custom made pit bike. Look at that, guys. Made from scratch. Little pull start, look. What do you make them out with, Dave?
What are these? Guttering.
So we've got guttering for the mud guards, front fender, back fender, look. A bit of guttering. Where's the engine from?
Amazon.
Amazon with the engine. Little filter.
Engine's like 76 quid, I think, the engine. Little racing engine, racing carb.
Racing engine and racing carb, look. Look at that. She is what she is. Let's hear her fired up, see what she fires up like in a minute.
Yeah, it's better, right? Finish me fag.